Okay, should we buy the dip on NVIDIA? What is going on with NVIDIA? It's down massive, right? We're trying to figure it out, and I'm going to show you guys the chart. I'm going to show you guys it's not as bad as it seems. Yeah, it's down. The market open right now, and it's down about 10%. Let's go to the charts. Let's do a deep dive. I want to make this quick. I want to, I don't want to like overhype things, but I do want to say, look at the weekly chart. Look at the big picture. What has happened with Nvidia every time there was fear? Well, it got bought up pretty fast, right? This is the, look at this big long weekly candle strike down and down. And guess what happened? It recovered all of that and it kept going up. So my thing is look at the bigger time frame. Look at, is this a crash on Nvidia? I don't think so. We've been making an uptrend since January of 2023. It's literally all the way, January 27 to 2025. We have not hit this EMA 50 on this weekly chart. It has been so strong that, yes, we are due for a correction on NVIDIA. Yes, we are due. And so when I look at this, I don't think this is bad at all. We're down 10%, obviously due to the Chinese AI push here, tailspin on China's AI drive set hammer Wall Street. So you can look at all this stuff that's making it go down. So yes, how convenient, Nvidia was overextended, and then it comes down to kind of a correction reality standpoint here. So here's the chart on Nvidia, here's the weekly chart, and here's the monthly chart. Everything is extremely bullish. Do I see this going below this 50? I don't really see that. And even with this big drop, we have not hit this EMA 50. You can see a lot of times we get close and it pumps up to it, right? It gets really close. You can see right in here, somewhere along this line, we could have a trend line, kind of bounce here on the weekly chart here. There's nothing telling me like, right here is absolutely bullish on NVIDIA. Yes, if you bought it right up in here, there really wasn't no entries up in here, in my opinion. Okay, we were kind of consolidating on these EMAs. I like to look for the EMAs, the EMA 50 for my entry when price is overextended, price hasn't hit it in a while, and it's in a massive uptrend. Look at this trend line here. We are due to have a correction down to here, but every time we did that, guys, do not be scared. Buy the biggest, strongest company in the world when it presents opportunities like this, okay? So Nvidia is coming down here. It's at 127. It had a nice little pump here. I do expect like somewhere here in the 115 range. That is the absolute best buy signal. Am I telling you it's going to get there? No, I'm not saying it has to get there. That is an 8% drop, and that's pretty big for bigger caps. But you can see, this is extremely bullish. It hasn't told me anything different. So when people see panic, they sell out of their positions just to lose money when they have no idea what's going on. And yes, news is going to cause a stock to go down, and that's fine. I have strong belief in the strongest company in the world that these dips a lot of the times they will get bought. All right. And if it just happens to go under this EMA 50, well, you can say, you know what? I have a very big risk versus reward. If it goes under, I can stop out about 3%. If it goes under this amount, under my weekly chart, I'll stop out. No big deal, but my potential for returns is outrageous. Like, if this truly wants to make a downtrend, I'll stop out at 3%. And if it goes to the highs, it can go up to 30% here. This is the level I'm watching here. I'm not going to buy in just yet. If I get, kind of near this lower trend channel, it needs to be as close as possible. I want to see, do we touch this EMA 50 on the weekly chart? So I encourage everyone, look at bigger time frames. Look at the monthly time frame. I would love to take it on this EMA 10 here. So we have a EMA 10 on the monthly is at 117. The EMA 50 is at on the weekly is 115. So weekly gives me a better signal. I'll look at that. But every time frame looks good. Yes, the daily is starting to form, kind of a downtrend maybe. As you can see right here, we have lower highs here, and then looks like we're gonna have lower lows coming in. But that's gonna happen a lot when you see the weekly channel coming back to support, right? We saw that happen right up and through here on NVIDIA, right? We had this massive move down, right? And that gave us that weekly candle to get in, right? We had the lower lows, but out of nowhere, what happens? We touch this lower trend channel, which is on a weekly. It overrides a daily chart, right? A lot of people focus on the daily chart, and don't see bigger time frames. But the bigger outlook, this was due for a pullback. I've been saying this for a while. This was due for a pullback. Would I buy this stock um, at this EMA 50 on the weekly? Absolutely. The market is probabilities, risk versus reward. I risk 3% to make an all-time high of 30% gains, or I can just take my fast 5 to 10% gains. All right, so I definitely like this one. I'm not going to buy it here. I'm just saying, guys, I'm making this video ahead of time. Be patient. This weekly EMA 50 is going to stay out here the whole week, so anything near 115.41 is a nice buy. I'm going to buy it just above it. Maybe I'll buy it at like 116. But I firmly believe, like right here on this trend line, we don't know exactly where this is going to be. It could penetrate it. It could get near it. It could get very close like this, like this. But everything is aligning to me, and this is a very nice correction. So take advantage of these. Don't get over hype. Don't get scared. Look at the weekly chart, look at the monthly chart. Everything looks perfect, guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and see my alerts and see when I look to get into plays, this is the best Discord in my honest opinion, with the cheapest price. Cancel anytime, but I promise you, you're going to be a consistently profitable trader doing these strategies. I took a while to figure this out, but I am a full-time trader doing this exact stuff. My day trading is absolutely my best strategy ever. It's what makes me make money every day. And I think if you want to be a full-time trader, you need to try my day trading strat. You're going to look differently about how to day trade, and you're going to be like, yo, this is less gambling, right? So click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, please read how to subscribe. But all you have to do is click this link right here, Day Trade Alerts, and it will say, hey, would you like to subscribe for my Day and Swing Trading Plus? It is only 12 bucks a month. Yes, I'm going to charge a small fee for my time because I put a lot of hours in every day going over the market, finding stocks, going over plays, and alerting your plays for day trades and swing trades straight to your phone. And that small fee will cover that with the education videos that I post on and future past education of why I take a trade. I don't want you to just take a trade on NVIDIA and be like, it's down 11% right now. Should I take NVIDIA, right? I don't want you to just take in that based on that. I want you to take the trade based on what is the reasons, right? Don't just copy people, and that's why people make money in this Discord. We're not just copying trades, and you have a clear risk versus reward. You have your stop in place the minute you enter your trade. You know where your take profit should be, and that's all included in the Discord. I tell you exactly how I do, and the more you see me alert this stuff, you'll understand my strategy, right? So looking at this weekly chart, I like it. EMA 50 is going to be your strong support, and that coincides with this long trend line here that I drew out. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. If you guys want to make some money, I think you guys will do it. I can't guarantee you guys will be millionaires, but I will say this has made me a full-time trader. You can quit your 9-to-5 job doing it, but definitely join the Day and Swing Trading Plus. I like my day trading strategy. Make money every day doing this simple trick, and you'll find out more when you join the Day and Swing Trading Plus membership. Only 12 bucks a month. Subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. I'll see you guys there. Happy trading. Let's make some money.